Hello students, in this video lecture I am going to discuss union. See, a union is a special data types variable in C that allows to store different data type in the same memory location. See, a union is a special data type available in C that allows to store different data type in the same memory location. You can define a union with many memories, but only can member can contain a value at any given type. Unions provide an efficient way of using the same memory location for multiple purpose. See, defining a union. To define a union, you must use the union statement in the same way as as you did when defining a structure. The union statement defines a new data type with more than one member for your program. The format of the union statement is as follows. C union in bracket union tag close the bracket open the curly memory definition member semicolon memory definition semicolon then up to memory definition and then close the curly one or more union variables semicolon. See, the union tag is optional and each memory definition is normal variable definition such as integer I or float f or any other valid variable definition. At the end of the union's definition, before the final semicolon, you can specify one or more union variable, but it is optional. Here is the way you would define a union type named data having three memories I, f, str. See, the union data open the curly int I semicolon float f semicolon character str array 20 semicolon close the curly then data semicolon. See, this is the union type named data having three members. See, now a variable of data can store an integer comma floating point number or a string of character. It means a single variable that is same memory location can be used to store multiple types of data. You can use any built-in or user-defined data types includes a union based on your requirement. See, occupied by union will be large enough to hold the law of the union. For example, in the above example, data type will occupy 20 bytes of character string. The following example display the total memory size occupied by the example. Hash include stdio.h, hash include string.h. See union data. Open the curly int I semicolon float f semicolon then character string 20 semicolon then close the curly semicolon. See next int main union data printf memory size occupied by data. See percentage slash n size of data return 0 then close the curly. See, when the above code is compiled and executed, it produces the following results. See, this is the output. Memory size occupied by data 20. Memory size occupied by data 20. Then next data type is enumeration or enum in C. Enumeration or enum in C. See, enumeration or enum is a user-defined data type in C. Enumeration or enum is user-defined data type in C. It is mainly used to assign names to integer constant. The names make a program easy to read and maintain. Here is the syntax of enum in C language. enum, then ename, name, constant 1, constant 2, up to n semicolon. See, the enum keyword is also used to define the variable of enum type. There are two ways to define the variables of enum type as follows. See, enum week, open the curly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, semicolon. See, enum weekday. Here is an example of enum in C language. See, hash include stdio.h, enum week, open the curly, Monday is equal to 10, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is equal to 10, Saturday is equal to 16, Sunday, semicolon. Then second, enum day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is equal to 18, Saturday is equal to 11, then Sunday, semicolon. Int main, printf the value of enum week, %d slash t, %d slash t. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, close the bracket, semicolon. See the printf, the default value of enum day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then return 0, semicolon, close the curly. See the output, the value of enum week, 10, 11, 12, 13, 10, 16, 17. The default value of enum day, 0, 1, 2, 3, 18, 11, 12. In the above program, two enums are declared as week and day outside the main function. In the main function, the values of enum elements are printed. See, the next is enum in C. See, declaration, enum days of week, open the curly, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, close the curly, semicolon. See, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. This is the enumerator and enum is a keyword. Days of week, this is the enum variable. Then next, see, the next is a type define. The type define keyword allows the programmer to create new data type. In a way, you typically use the type define keyword to improve the readability of your code and as a means of abbreviating it. See, syntax, type define, type name, semicolon. For example, the statement type define unsigned a character byte creates a new data type called byte, which is shorthand for unsigned character. You can use this new type to declare variable as follows: byte a. This is a data type define.